So I've been learning through this AI application. It is almost similar to ChatGPT, but not the same. So today I want to learn something that my dear sister from Turkey, Antalya, she shared with me. She normally shares a lot of stuff, of course, and this one was juicy one because it is involving money, mining, and also games. And I love doing such things because who doesn't love money? Okay, anyway, so it is about Hamster Kombat, and I want to know what is it, what exactly was she telling me. Now I'm gonna come here on this platform. It is an AI. Its name is Plus. Let me just show you guys. Its name is actually Perplexity. Perplexity. Okay, so my writing, I'm gonna ask the Perplexity, like, as an expert, give me the updated updated information about what's hamster hamster combat. Okay, so that's the term, and let me see if it can actually give me the best thing about this AI platform. It is that it actually does it, like, it goes and get all the information from different sources. So this is what it says. Remember, I'm a beginner to actually all these things, but I can learn through this. So it says Hamster Combat is a unique play to earn. Here it is a unique play to earn P2E game on the Telegram platform that has gained significant popularity with over 210 million players of July 2024. Can you imagine 210 million players? Wow. The game combines an engaging clicker mechanic with cryptocurrency rewards, and a focus on building a virtual crypto exchange. Wow. Now, in this game, players start as bald hamsters who have just become the CEO of cryptocurrency exchange. The primary way to earn in-game currency is by tapping in the hamster avatar, but players must also spend their accumulated coins to purchase upgrades for their exchange, such as licenses in new jurisdictions or listing new trading pairs. Wow. The game, it continues to say, the game's approach goes beyond just the tapping mechanic, as players can also earn passive income through their upgraded exchange. Additionally, Hamster Combat rewards players for completing various tasks such as watching educational videos, wow, inviting friends, and unlocking daily cheaper and combo codes. The game's unique features, it says the game unique features including its focus on financial literacy and the ability for content creators to earn money by sharing daily codes and combinations, have contributed to its rapid growth and potential to set a Guinness World Record for the third fastest app to reach 150 million users. Wow. Now, one thing about this AI application, it is that it also gives you related topics that you can actually go and learn, dive in and learn by yourself. For instance, these are some of the questions that it has given me. How does Hamster Combat compare to other play to earn games? Okay, so if you want to learn, you can click there. But now, what I want to tell you, or I want to show you, like I said, I was actually introduced to this thing by my dear friend, and shout out to you, my dear friend who is Natalia. She knows herself. So the game is, for you to start the game, you must have actually Telegram. Okay, so this is my Telegram. I had already actually logged in, so I'm gonna log off, and then we're gonna look the hamster. So you sign in, and then this is the Hamster Combat bot. Okay, once you are here, this is the bot. You can see the dashboard, how it looks like. They say for you to start actually playing the game, you click here. This is what she told me. So you click here where they say play. Okay, I'm gonna click there and see what will happen. I have been doing this for a few days. Okay, So let's see. So this is what you're gonna do is actually just tap 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 tap, and I'm using my 2 fingers to tap. This is what I'm doing. So as you can see, when I'm tapping, you can see here, I want you to see these numbers are like the coins, the coin numbers are actually going up. Okay, so you just tap 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 tap. Okay, this is what I've been doing. I haven't invested in terms of actually buying anything, but I will do so because I can see the potential of this thing. Okay, so I have been doing this is to increase these coins. Okay, now one thing or one cool thing about this is actually something we do, like they have this thing whereby we have daily rewards. If I click on daily rewards, you can see they are saying if you watch this video you're gonna earn this kind of coins. Okay, if they give you all these things, and then daily task, you can click here and see what they want. Okay, so like for today they are actually rewarding me, so I can claim this one. If I click, I can click claim, and then you can see I have actually earned those tokens just free of the of charge. Okay, so if I want more, I can actually open the I can open this, and then to see what's going on the YouTube. Okay, if I write watch now, I can watch and then earn those.
5 maddede neden info yatırımı tercih etmeniz gerektiğini anlatıyorum. 1. Borsa
Okay, so you can see the Hamster Kombat on YouTube. Okay, on YouTube, the Hamster Kombat channel has over 31.9 million people, subscribers. And this thing was just actually launched, I think, in March. And you can see how it is fast growing, like it's just amazing. Okay, so this is the video that they are saying I watch, and then they're gonna reward me. And you can see this video was posted 21 hours ago, and it has over 12 million people who have actually viewed it. So it's just crazy. Okay, it's crazy, guys. I want you to try. I'll leave a link so that you can try. I will watch the video later, but I think you have gotten the thing that I wanted to say. So you can see my coins have been increased, and we also have daily cheapers, we have daily combo, we have a lot of things that are there. Okay, that you can do. Okay, they have a lot of things. Okay, 1K stuff like that. I'm still learning, guys, so don't think that I know everything here. So whatever you click, you can get rewards here, and you do your thing. Okay, so it has a lot. Like I say, it has a lot, and also the best thing is that you can choose choose exchange stuff. Like we have Binance, we have OKX, we have KuCoin, we have Get.io. A lot of things that I'm learning, and you guys, I'm starting to loving this thing now. You might be wondering, like when will the airdrop be launched, or maybe when will they launch? They will be listed on the market. It is not yet announced. I think they say something to do with between July up to August, because it is just new to that. Like it is a new. It's just new. They have just launched it. Like maybe it's gonna take at least 6 months for them to start actually telling us what will be the worth of each coin. But one thing that I have learned, I went to the YouTube and then saw some videos. It's not just about tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping. It's not just about that. Okay, it is about you investing in some stuff like buying the daily compos and stuff like that, and also something to do with profit per hour. Okay, so they might be when it is launched, they might focus on the profit per hour rather than on just the coins that you have. But also it might be they might consider people who have these numbers in terms of actually the coins. So you never know what will happen, but it is a nice game, or maybe it is a nice thing to try. Thank you so much for my dear friend, for introducing me to Hamster Kombat, and I'm going to do my research. I'm going to play. I'm going to invest in some few things when I learn, like something to do with profit per hour. You can see it is still 0, but I'm gonna start mining. Okay, when I start mining, I'll tell you how much like how am I going to do it and how we're gonna be benefiting from this thing, because it is huge, guys. It is huge. It is something that we should try as much as possible to actually hop on. Otherwise, I just wanted to share with you how you can learn through AI some of the new things, especially if you don't have any skills in crypto or any skill that you want, you can learn just the same way we have learned about Hamster Kombat through Perplexity AI. And you can see it has given us a lot of information that we didn't even know. Like I didn't actually know, and I'm so glad that we are living the world whereby we can just learn about anything that is happening, and AI will actually fetch everything from all the resources and bring everything together. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in my next videos.